Okay, and welcome back everybody. We got another product to review here from Seyvum. This is a hedge trimmer. This is the largest thing that I've received from them by far. I think this is a 22-inch hedge trimmer, and I'm just getting a kick out of the way the box is shaped like a hedge trimmer. But the box looks like it's been opened already, because I'm going to admit I opened it already. I was wanting to take a peek at it, and I couldn't get it all put back in there. I don't know how they pack them at the when they make them. So anyway, let's open it up and see what we got in there. Okay, and there we go. I'm just loving the box. Anyway, let's look at the hedge trimmer itself. I think it's a 22-inch hedge trimmer. I really should have looked before I started this, but it's got this nice guard that you can put, that plastic guard that you can put on and off to keep it safe from kids or whoever might be in your garden shed. And right here we have the charger, and then over here the battery, and then there is your car driving by, and then over here we have the instruction book, and then there's your code for the warranty. And it comes with this bag on there. Let's see if that's going to easily come off. It's not. So let me pull everything out onto the table and take a look at it. Okay, so now I've got everything out on the table, and the first thing I want to mention is that while I was showing it in the last scene, I missed an entire battery. It was over on the other side of the body of it. So it does come with two batteries. So once you use one up, you just go to the next battery, and it should last pretty long with even just the one battery. But to make sure that you get your job done, you have the second battery, so you can just keep on cutting. So here is a look at the tines outside of the guard. I just wanted to show, of course, you know how a hedge trimmer works. You've got the top, the bottom, let's see, one or the other slides back and forth like shears, because they are shears. And the important thing to note, I brought out the tape measure, is the distance between the tines, because if that is too small, it's going to be very ineffective, and that happens a lot with hedge trimmers. But these are pretty wide. I see at least, and there is a specific opening size mentioned, and you can get pretty technical because it's a V. It looks like about 3/4 of an inch, but they are probably mentioning another size that is halfway down or something like that, and I'll have that on the screen. It's important to note, but going from experience, if you're wondering just in terms of big or small, these are big, and this is good because more will fit in there. And there's a look at the guard off the machine. And what I want to show next is the double safety. So you got a safety on the bar here, your handle. That has to be pressed for it to work. And then you've got another one. The trigger is right under there. But you've got another one that you have to press here. So it is a two-handed thing. So that has to be pressed, and that has to be pressed. And is that important? Yes, it's extremely important, because a hedge trimmer especially is one of those things where you get very gung-ho on safety. And I know that the main hedge trimmer that I've been using only has this one safety right here. And I have had some close calls because I get pretty crazy with it and don't have a handle. What you'll be inclined to do is not put your other hand, because they're light, and you won't put your other hand on this bar at all. And that's when it starts getting dangerous. You always have to have two hands on a hedge trimmer. Anyway, I think that basically covers, boy, it does look like that bar is adjustable, doesn't it? No, I don't think so. But if it is, I'll mention it in the next scene. Okay, the battery plugs in back there. And that's about it. I think that we're ready to, I'll charge up these batteries. That's why I was opening the box. And then I never did it. So I have to charge up these batteries, and then we'll go use it on some hedges and try it out. Okay, well that wraps it up for this video. I'm beyond impressed. It's a lot better than the one I've been using. I've been using, well, I don't know if I can name the name brand, but it starts with an R. Anyway, this one is much better than the one that starts with an R. Is much quieter. Hopefully on the point of view where I had the camera on the machine, you could tell how quiet it is. It is at least 3 times quieter than the other ones that I've been using. And smooth, very smooth. I'm still extremely impressed with the products from this company. This is brand new, just came out. It's completely available. I'll leave the links for the Amazon link and the website, so you can go on and get you one. Now all of that was on one battery. I never even put the second battery in there, but it does have an indicator, so let's press it. See what we got. Okay, what you see is what you get. I'm afraid I didn't read the book, but I see some green, and that tells me it's not even exhausted this battery, and you have another entire battery. So that's, you know, everything I just trimmed here, and this is a big bush here, and it had no problem. Very impressed, very happy to have it. Y'all go and get you one, and thanks for watching.